Come on friends, it's baking time. Making muffins is so fun and fine. Wash our hands and tie our hair. Put on aprons with great care. Grab a bowl and grab a spoon. We'll be baking muffins soon. Flour, sugar, milk go in. Mix it up with a happy grin. Try to mix, mix, mix with me. Making muffins happily. Stir, stir, round and round. Listen to the mixing sound. Try blueberries, bananas too. Pick your favorite fruit to chew. 1, 2, 3, let's all say we're making muffins today. Crack an egg and watch it drop. Add some berries, plop, plop, plop. Chocolate chips can join the fun. Mix them gently, everyone. Scoop the batter one by one. Fill the muffin cups, how fun! Into the oven, safe and slow. Soon our tasty muffins grow. Try to mix, mix, mix with me. Making makings happily. Stir, stir, round and round. Listen to the mixing sound. Share blueberries, bananas too. Pick your favorite fruit to chew. 1, 2, 3, let's all say we're making muffins today. Ding, the muffins are ready now. Look at those muffins, wow, wow, wow. Let them cool before we eat. What a yummy baking treat. Share the muffins with our friends. That's where all the fun begins. Clean the bowls and wipe the tray. We made muffins on a happy